Welcome to Tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to disconnect and reconnect your Bang and Olufsen BeoGrace earbuds with devices step by step.
Disconnect BeoGrace from a device. Step 1. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Step 2. Find BeoGrace in the list of paired devices. Step 3. Tap Disconnect, or forget this device if you want to remove it completely. Reconnect BeoGrace to a device. Step 1. Take the earbuds out of the charging case. They turn on automatically. Step 2. Press and hold the touch area for 2-3 seconds to enter pairing mode. LED flashes white. Step 3. Open Bluetooth settings on your device and select BeoGrace from the list. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Earbuds are connected.